CBS 6 Sky Tracker sponsored by RCI Builders.
Heavens, I'm right there with you. I know the mornings are hectic, and I can't imagine after I have children how hectic things will get trying to get them fed and ready. But please take a few minutes. I'm going to show you what's happening now, the time frame of the system that's going to impact us, and potentially the dangers of this particular system. And y'all know I don't like to give you hype. I really just want you to know the facts, and I'm showing you a setup that could potentially be dangerous. Right now, we've got temperatures coming in 62 degrees. It feels and it looks like we should be in the middle of May rather than the first day of March. Winds are already at 10 miles per hour. The winds will continue to go up, and I want you to notice our dew points are in the 60s. It is humid out there. It definitely does not have the characteristics of March 1st. Temperatures right now in Tappahannock are coming in 63, 64 in Petersburg, 60 in Farmville. Notice anything similar? Yeah, we're all warm, we're all humid, and we are indeed dealing with quite a bit of cloud cover ahead of this system. Our system is currently just to our west, and notice how we've got these red triangles as well as rectangles surrounding it. That is indicating tornado watches. We also have some yellow. I know it's a little difficult to see. That is showing us that we have some thunderstorm watches. This system has already given us tornado watches and warnings, as well as severe thunderstorm watches and warnings well before this. We even had someone lose their life. This is a very dangerous system, but I can tell you, thankfully, we have mountain ranges that are just to our west. You know the drill. It typically begins to break up just a bit. It will. However, it is going to reform. It is going to mature as it pushes its way eastward. So let's go over the timeline for this. We will see peaks of sunshine. The less sun we see, the better the situation will be. You got it? Because sunshine is going to give us some instability. It's going to move in from our west, pushing eastward. We'll have it over the mountain ranges, looking to be over into Stanton around 1 o'clock. And remember, these timestamps are not the gospel. Just gives us a good idea. Notice how we've got this very distinct line. This is not our radar, the current radar. It is just giving us what it looks like it will be. But when we have this, that does indicate that straight line winds will be out in front of the system. So winds are going to be a major issue when it comes to the system pushing through. Timeline right around 3 o'clock, looking to see some of that into Fredericksburg, the northern neck, just beginning to push into Louisa, Goochland, and then continue to edge its way down to our south. We will see a few of these lingering more so to our south right around 8, 9 o'clock, as well as into portions of Kilmarnock in the Middle Peninsula, and then it will ease its way out. Clear and dry air will be on the flip side of this system, really cooling us off and pushing us back towards winter type weather. The SPC already issued us a slight risk. We knew this. We've been dealing with it for quite some time now. As far as the issues, damaging winds, straight line damaging winds, as well as winds within the system. Flash flooding, not so much of a concern because we are going to see it move so fast due to those winds. We cannot rule out large hail or tornadic activity. I don't want to frighten you, but you got to be educated. You got to know what we're seeing on these weather maps. 82 degrees for your high today. We're going to break records. 59 tomorrow, and we will stay nice, dry, and calm heading into the rest of the week. But Kristen, you've got some action happening on the roadways. Already an incident.
And already see